Hey, what's up, fam? I'm Sammy Race. If PewDiePie shouts like the video ends. Okay, I'm going to choose a very random video from PewDiePie's channel. Very random. Closing my eyes. I'm not sure if he's going to shout in the middle of a mall or something. Okay, let's go another.
6.5 hours later.
Oksels, 48 uur bescherming, zacht voor de huid. Dove, koud fris.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Live. Boost energy. Iedere gum weer een shotje cafeïne en vitamine C.
Much later.
I've been outside. I don't know what's going on. What's the memes? What's the latest memes? I gotta know. I'm probably a couple months late on this one, a couple of years, but I just saw Morbius at the cinema, and it was the great experience of my life. It made moving to Japan worth it. 209% audience score. 212,000 tomatoes. I have seen this movie 2,000 times. You can say it's all lies, that this movie is actually not good, but the numbers don't lie, okay? This movie grossed 352 trillion worldwide. If you think that's a lie, get more down. You don't understand math and how it works. So yeah, this movie came out, it was amazing. Some people like to clown on this movie, saying that no one actually watched it. Slanderous lies!